Hi, boys and girls. Let's go over day 15 of your work packets. Now, at the very top, it says we're going to be working with long O today. Now, let's look at this one. That's a bone. Do you hear that long O sound? Bone. First letter, B. B. Bone. Remember, the stick goes first. We go from left to right. When we read, we also go from left to right when we write. And so on the left is going to be the stick. Let me go ahead and write that for you. Ready? See how the stick is on the left? O, bone. That's what it should look like, bone. Let's look at this one. That is a rope. Rope. So R says so rope. It's a P. Now with a P, the stick also comes first, but it goes down in the basement. So it's kind of like a B that starts at the broken line and goes down to the basement. Now the next part, we're going to read the story, answer the questions, write a sentence about that picture. This looks like a little girl feeding her dog some dog food. Let's read the words that you can use to help you. It says dog, food, water, take care of, and pet. I can't wait to see what sentences you make. Let's look at the back. We're going to circle the web that has the most spiders. And then we're going to write the numbers that are missing. They come after 17. Right here we have the word hexagon, rectangle, circle, triangle, and square. You're going to draw a line to those shapes and color those shapes. And then right here, we're doing subtraction. We have 9 dots. 9 take away 9 minus 3. So you're going to take away 3 of those dots and see how much is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 minus 3 is 6. And then I want you to do the last one by yourself. It is also minus. Take away 4 minus 1. 4 take away 1. Now this is your critical paper of the day. And remember, pause this anytime you need to pause it. This is your critical paper of the day. This is the most important paper of the day. It is a number paper. And the very first says we're going to write the number that comes before this number. You can go ahead and pause it as you write those down all by yourself using your brain. And then I'm going to go on. But remember, pause it if you need more time. I know you're going to need more time than I gave you. Right here, we're going to write the number that comes between. Remember yesterday's paper that had the dump truck between the 2 motorcycles? So we have 2 numbers. One of them goes between. Do those. And then pause the video if you need more time. Section 3 is easy peasy addition. Section 4 is something we haven't learned yet, and guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to tell you what the answer is. A quarter is a very big coin. I wish I had a quarter in my desk. I do. Oh, this is perfect. I have a penny. I have a quarter. I even have a nickel. But I don't have a dime. That's okay. So this is our penny. This is our penny. It is 1 cent. This is my nickel. It is 5 cents, so I would count by 5 if I had a bunch of them. Now look at the different sizes. See how it completely is hidden behind it? See how it's bigger than that? This is a quarter. and a quarter is 25 cents. A lot of times you need quarters if you're putting them in a vending machine to buy food, or if you're playing video games at Fun 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 or Chuck E. Cheese. A lot of times you need quarters or tokens, and usually the tokens kind of look like a quarter. A quarter is 25 cents. So go ahead and mark 25 cents. Now let's look at this section right here. These are nickels. And if you can remember, I just told you, I think I told you how much is in a nickel. It's not a dime, it's not a penny, it's not a quarter, it's a nickel. So you're not going to count by ones because it's not a penny. Count by the number you know is correct and circle the amount of money that are in 3 nickels. Now, we have some clocks here. And remember, the very first number that you're going to put right here is that red hour hand. And the second part right here is going to be the minute hand. Remember, this minute hand is not pointing to the 3, it's going past the 3. And we always count by 5s when the minute hand's going around the clock. Now this one, if you look carefully, it's in between. Remember, that hour hand hasn't gotten to this number yet. Still on this number, that's the one you're going to write here. And it is half past. That's what that minute hand is telling you. See if you can remember the number that's half past. I'll give you a clue. Count by 5s around the clock and it'll tell you what number to put there. It's all you have to do on this paper. I want you to skip this paper. Don't even worry about it today. I'm gonna put a big X on it. Skip. Now right here, we're going to be circling special sounds, marking vowels, and then I want you to try to read the word. And I'll try to link that same video again that I've linked in the other videos, that reviews these special sounds if you need help. First, circle special sounds. Look and see if there's 2 special sounds in the word. Then after you know there's no more special sounds, then you go and you mark vowels. Remember, sometimes a vowel is in a special sound, but we never mark a vowel with a stick or a smile. So that's the top. On the bottom, it says, choose the word that completes the sentence. Mark vowels and circle special sounds in these words so you already know what they are. And then read the sentences. Doing the same thing, mark vowels, circle special sounds, and choose the word that goes in this blank. And I want you to write that word in the blank. And remember, you do not have to do the back of this paper. But if you wanted to do the back, it says, draw a line from the sentence to the picture the sentence is talking about. So you're going to read the sentence. You know that you can circle special sounds and mark vowels if you need to. Read the sentence, draw a line to the picture it's talking about, and then color the pictures for me. Right here, trace. Well, read first, then trace, then write, and color. And you don't have to do the back of handwriting, but if your family wants you to, same thing. I love you. Thank you for a great week of hard work. You're finished with day 15. I love you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.